To freeze an account, go to your client's client information page. So again, using Joseph Smith as an example, we're on his client information page. We're going to scroll down right below the note box. You're going to see freeze status. By default, it's always going to be on not frozen. Okay, because as you see, we have already created his membership for monthly transactions, right? That we did in our previous video. So to freeze his account, let's say Joseph says, okay, I'm going to be going away on vacation or, wherever for a couple months, I cannot come and train. Can you please freeze my account? I'm going to click on my not frozen, change it to is frozen. Now it's going to give you a frozen start date and a frozen end date. Let's start with frozen start date. So let's say, let's say Joseph is going away from July 1st, okay, until end of August. Okay, so now I'm going to choose I already chose my start date. Now I'm going to choose my end date. So let's say August 31st. These 2 months he's not going to be training with you, so he's not going to be paying you for those 2 months. Always remember that when you choose a frozen start date and an end date, remember to click on the update button. This is very, very important because if you don't click on the update button, nothing's going to happen. Okay, so please, please, please do remember to always click on the update button once you choose your frozen start date and your end date. So now let's go ahead and view these 2 months and see what's going on with them. So I clicked on my blue view button. Now I get redirected to the custom information page, right? Custom membership information page. I scroll down to the transactions. So now if you were to see Joseph's activation status for May 25th has been false because we have already processed this payment. Now June 25th, the activation status is true, so which means that our billing company Bambora will go into this credit card and charge Joseph for the month of June. However, if you were to notice, July 25th and August 25th have both been changed to false and false. Okay, so which means the billing company will charge them for the month of June. However, it would not charge them for July and August, and then September 25th on, the activation status changes back to true again. So the billing company will start reprocessing this credit card from September 25th onwards. Now, let's say, the plans have changed and the vacation's not going to happen. Now I need to unfreeze his account. Okay, now at that point, all I have to do is change the is frozen to not frozen. Again, remember the update button. It's very, very important. Once I update this, I can go back and view my transactions and see what the activation status is. Okay, so if I was to go and view my July and August, you see July 25th and August 25th have both changed to true again now. Okay, so the billing company will continuously process payments on this credit card here on the 25th of every month. So you can freeze the account at any time and you can unfreeze the account at any time. Just remember to always use the update button.